limited space there. So such normal issues. It's only like a matter of coordination and taking care of simultaneous operation and precautions.
Absolutely.
This is the way I
And
see it.
Saeed, just to add what you're saying. So we are saying that we are going to do the SIMOPS workshop, and we are also doing the constructability workshop. And I have taken one recommendation to the feed contractor that they have to add one recommendation: ensure interface management plan or list is prepared during the EPC phase, so that when this project will go to EPC phase, the EPC contractor will list out all the interfaces at the time of construction. And if there are some interfaces, they will come to you for permit to work system, so that you do not have any problem, because you are the end user. Ultimately, you are going to struggle. So I'm taking this recommendation.
Yeah, correct. I think this covers the concern, and I believe it is covering the requirement presently. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, so Rakesh,
can you add? I was aware during the question when it came, but it's okay. For the interface issue, currently we are in feed. Can you put the Excel sheet? Okay.
Yeah.
Normally at feed stage, since we know the scope, but during execution, different parties will be at site, as Saeed said, and yourself, Chairman. So let's add, in addition to this point, let's add proper planning or proper coordination to be there.
Yeah, sure. So, and this is why I have taken this recommendation. When the EPC contractor will come in place, they will identify all the interfaces. They will try to identify all the concerns, and they will prepare all the, safeguard accordingly. So that during construction, if one party is working, second party is also working, there is no problem.
But here, Chairman, interface plan or list.
Yeah. So they will prepare detailed interface management plan, that in substation 1 or in the control room, how many contractors are going to work and which job is going to be impacted. Before 3 days back, they will propose to the company that we are going to work here. They will make the method statement. They will make the recommendations. They will issue the WMS system, and they will prepare the TRA. So everything will covered here. I think this is the wide action. They will cover everything.
Okay. Feed contractor to include this in the ABC scope. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other question to Saeed? He's having another meeting.
I think, Gada, with this, we have seen all the guide words.
Okay.
And we identified 2 recommendations. So, guys, I want to have your attention here. So we identified 2 recommendations. Update the EPC scope of work to ensure the interface plan, or list out the interfaces. List the interfaces, or list the interfaces. This activity. Yeah, during EPC scope. And second, we found that ensure the proposed new cable trenches should not impact the existing electrical cable trench. That is the feed contractor responsibility. So these are the 2 recommendations we identified in the HAZID. So after, now, since we don't have much time, so I will complete this standard, activity, and I will prepare this complete sheet, and I will send to ILF by today evening. So if you have any question before we close the HAZID session, now you can go for the break, and you can go for the NVID session. If you have any question, let me know. Rakesh?
And we finished all the guide words?
Yes, dear.
Just go to the
last one.
Is medical. Okay, that's.
Yeah. So